Today we get a video from. Oh my god. I ain't cutting this out. Man, it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm not perfect. You know, I'm not perfect. Anyways, today we have a video from ArrestFlix, and the title of the video is "Immature Teens Get a Huge Reality Check After Violent Theft."
Our car was just robbed at gunpoint at the farmer's market. When I heard that they stole my wife's purse and the car at gunpoint.
Gotcha. What year, make, and model is your vehicle?
It's a white 2014 Ford Escape.
The suspects are a group of teenagers, and officers are working to catch up to them as they continue driving through the area.
So get to that intersection as soon as you can. Don't lose eyes on that car.
From East 89th, the suspects make their way toward Huff, continuing through the area.
It's continuing north towards Huff from East 89.
Same 13, I'm on East 89. Coming north.
Yeah, sir, that's going to be it right in front of you.
Kids ain't got nothing better to do. Back in the day, we used to go to the park and play basketball. Now they stealing cars. Ain't that something?
Behind you guys. And then we also got a motorcycle unit as well. And we're coming across 5-5 in Chester now. Still trying to make our way there.
All right, let's turn on the Harkness.
Play basketball, manhunt, used to play tag.
Going down Edmonds.
The teens keep rolling through the streets, trying to put some space between themselves and police. Officers stay behind them, keeping eyes on the SUV while updating other responding units.
Right at you. Going down East Boulevard, right to the battleship.
The teenagers continue at high speed, disobeying traffic signals while trying to evade officers.
North. East Boulevard from Superior going into the 5th District.
Down on MLK. Here's is always heading towards the highway.
Wow.
The stolen vehicle continued eastbound, heading toward the interstate in the Pennsylvania direction.
So what happens when he runs out of gas? Erie, PA, yep.
Just got on the highway going eastbound. I'm gonna see what he's gonna do. He's gonna terminate.
Imagine if he pit maneuver on the highway. He's probably not going to. Woo!
Notified Bradlow. I just exited the highway at Eddy Road.
Someone get westbound, see if he's going to double back.
That's exactly what he's doing.
14 and 12, we're westbound 490.
I guess people that always flee from cops never think
10
about,
minutes
hey,
later, officers are still in pursuit, now heading westbound on I-490.
Sarge, go ahead.
think about, hey, what's going to happen when I run out of gas? See, because they got multiple cop cars that's going to be on you, so they ain't never running out of cop cars. It's over. But they can switch in and out.
He's back on the highway going westbound. Approaching 55th.
You don't necessarily want to end the pursuit because it's a stolen car, so you don't know who the kids are that's in it.
Adam 14, we're behind him on 55. They're hanging out of the window. One of them's pointing a gun.
As the pursuit continues, one of the suspects is holding a firearm out the car window, putting officers in immediate danger at the speed of 80 miles per hour.
Now that's crazy.
We're passing St. Clair, going southbound. I'm jumping behind you.
All right, we're at 74. We're passing home. We're still southbound. Superior. 74, still running the lights southbound. Occupied by 3 of these. It looks like it's occupied by 3. It's going to be the front passenger here on a blue hoodie. Male had a firearm in his hand. We're at 88 southbound on Payne.
We're still at Chester holding traffic.
Yeah, it's tough because they're...
lanes. We're coming up on traffic now. That male in the blue hoodie's hanging out again.
Oh, yeah.
Coming through Chester now. Still southbound. Speeds of 80. You good, bro? You good, bro?
Adam 14.
We're coming up on Carnegie. Speed 70.
See, I don't know if you're paying attention or not, right? I know you're paying attention. But it's good that when they do have some space, that the officer that's driving is blading more to the driver's side to offset it, because the guy in the passenger seat keep coming out waving his firearm. So if you blade over, he can't, if he is going to, potentially shoot, he wouldn't be able to get a direct hit on the car like that. It would be difficult.
I'd say 13. We're just gonna give it a couple more minutes, see what he does here. Watch that passenger hanging out that window.
Chopper, guys, get it. One more time. Approaching East 30th. Try again.
Radio, do we have chopper up? East 30th, heading westbound, speed 70. We got a bus in front of us.
Oh, he's cooked.
The pursuit came to an end when the stolen Ford Escape crashed near East 22nd Street and Cedar Avenue. The vehicle was disabled, and the juveniles quickly tried to get out and run.
Get the down! Get the down! Hey! Don't you move! Don't you move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!
You got it, man.
Get down!
Man, you got it.
Turn around! Put your hands behind your back!
All right, can I...
Put your hands behind your back! Do it now! Do it now!
Can I lay down?
Do it now! Put your hands behind your...
Oh, my king!
That blue hoodie, now that's the one with the firearm, so they got to get on him, boy.
Go! 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 We got males running! We got males running! Man. Put male! Let me see your hand!
There you go.
Go!
That was stupid.
The driver bailed on the highway. He jumped the fence. He's out on the highway.
Which highway is he on?
He's on 90.
Ready, I'm gonna get the drone.
Man, that one in the blue is out. Boy. Why he keep holding his hand? Man, get his ass together, boy.
Yeah, I know I got it.
Said I know I got it.
Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand.
Dummy.
One was somewhere down here. The driver, black and blue hoodie, hopped the fence, went towards the highway. Black juvenile male.
We have 1 male, E21st car next.
Damn, the driver out. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's the one with the.
Get around, turn around. Hey, come on, Billy.
Wow.
Why you being so
Get in the
rough?
car. Get in the car.
Why you being so rough,
Get in the
man?
car.
Come on, man.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Man, you a black man.
Get in the car.
You a black man. Shut your ass up.
Come on, bro.
Get in the car.
All right, let me just sit up.
Get in the car.
Let me sit up, bro.
Get in the car.
I can't. You see how I'm going? You're trying. I got him.
Could you come around this end? From the back end?
I'm about to get in, bro. You don't even gotta do it.
Come on, man. Get in
I'm
the car.
already in. I'm already in.
Put your leg in. Put your leg in.
I got cuffs. I got cuffs.
I got right. Check him for weapons. Check him for weapons. Don't reach, man. Roll.
He's good. He's good.
Okay.
Come on, put people right there.
Got one man under right now. Up.
The juvenile suspects were arrested and charged in connection with the armed robbery and auto theft. A third suspect remains on the run. Because the suspects are underage, their names and identities cannot be released publicly. As this case moves through Cuyahoga County Juvenile Court,
Yo, the third suspect, the one that got on the highway was out. He got away. Wow. And if his boys don't snitch, it's tough. Wow.
because the suspects are underage, their names and identities cannot be released publicly. As this case moves through Cuyahoga County Juvenile Court, many details remain sealed, and incidents like this are becoming increasingly common across Cleveland, where juvenile auto thefts continue to put residents at risk.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable, man. These kids are wild nowadays, man. Wild. Menace to society, man. The third one is on the run. Wow. Wow, this was a good one. He got on the highway and got away. I thought when he said he got on the highway, I'm thinking, damn, that you better off on the street, because at least on the street you can bob and weave and, you know, whatever, like try to make something shake. But on the highway, I'm looking at the highway as it's too much of an open space to where they could directly see you. So you definitely getting caught on the highway for sure. That's a crazy case. Well, hopefully they catch him though, These guys definitely need to be off the street, man. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get officers a 5, man. 5 out of 5 from me. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.